Let's discuss the small details in our customized men's haircut. This client has some gray hair concentrated around his fringe area, so I cut layers a little bit differently for that area. Convex bangs tend to look better on male clients than straight across bangs. The fold can be hidden with no fade, but he prefers his backs and size short, so client's opinion comes first. Clients with irregular shaped head, there are two ways to approach haircut. You could focus on the shape, which means the fade might not look completely even, or you can look at the gradient of the fade, which means the shape might not always be ideal. Stacked layers with textures create more volume and aesthetically pleasing appearance. As you can see, the ridge line where the interior lengths meet with the exterior lengths is pretty seamless. This is very important. You can use both clippers or shear over comb to connect these lengths. I tend to keep longer lengths around the hair loss area so we can cover that little bit. Straight lines on the sides create slimming and youthful look for men. Again, if we see from the sides, the layers create more volume on the top. Small disconnection hidden around the front side point create more slimming effect. Get your customized haircut at HairLab. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.